Hey there gamers, welcome back to our tech gaming series where we tackle common issues and glitches that can disrupt your gaming experience. Today, we are diving into a problem that many Call of Duty mobile players have encountered, the dreaded authorization error 5b1202. It's a frustrating roadblock that prevents you from enjoying the game to its fullest. But fret not, because in this video, we'll uncover the reasons behind this error and provide you with effective solutions to overcome it. Let's get started. Understanding Call of Duty Mobile Authorization Error 5b1202. To understand why you are encountering the authorization error 5b1202 in Call of Duty Mobile, it's essential to look at a few possible causes. This error typically occurs when there is a problem with the authorization process between your device and the game server. It can be triggered by various factors such as network issues, server overload, or even incorrect account credentials. Now, let's explore some solutions that can help overcome the frustrating authorization error 5b1202 and get back into the action. Solution 1. Check network connection. Start by ensuring that your network connection is stable or reliable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is specific to one network. You can also try restarting your router or modem to refresh the connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for proper authorization with the game server. Solution 2. Verify account credentials. Double check your account credentials, including your username and password, to ensure that they are correct. Sometimes, an error in the login information can cause authorization problems. If you suspect that your credentials might be incorrect or outdated, try resetting your password or logging in from a different device to confirm. Solution 3. Clear app cache and data. Clearing the cache and data of the Call of Duty mobile app can resolve various issues, including authorization errors. Go to Devices Settings, then navigate to Apps and Applications Manager. Locate Call of Duty Mobile from the list of installed apps and tap on it. Select Storage, then tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart the game and check if the error persists. Solution 4. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Call of Duty Mobile installed on your device. Outdated game version can sometimes lead to compatibility issues and authorization errors. Solution 5. Contact support. If none of the solutions work, don't hesitate to reach out to the Call of Duty Mobile support team. Until next time, happy gaming.
Predator missile inbound.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.